Halo guys, selamat datang di channel Easy Production dan selamat datang di game Call of Duty Cold War yang rilis di tahun 2020 kalau nggak salah ya guys. Jadi kali ini kita akan bermain series Call of Duty, yaitu game perang ya. Jadi buat teman-teman yang udah mengikuti Call of Duty mungkin udah nggak asing ya. Kita langsung aja main ke gamenya. Kita difficultnya regular dulu aja ya guys, reguler ya, normal dulu aja loh.
We must realize that no arsenal or no weapon in the arsenals of the world is so formidable as the will and moral courage of free men and women. It is a weapon our adversaries in today's world do not have. Let that be understood by those who practice terrorism and prey upon their neighbors.
Some U.S. intelligence analysts believe America is already in a state of war with the Soviet Union.
Are Soviet spies living among us?
52 American citizens have been taken hostage at the American Embassy in Tehran.
An unnamed White House official claims that a Cold War disaster could be just around the corner.
Mr. President, we have two names linked to the hostage situation. Arash Kadivar and Qasim Javadi. Just give the word.
It's time to send a message. There will be no more hostages.
You sure we can trust the police, Adler?
This guy's done more for less. He'll look the other way.
Adler?
Glad you could join us, Hans. You remember Mason.
We cleared a move on the target.
Qasim is in his apartment, but he's well protected. Can keep my men out of the area for 15 minutes. I hope you brought an army.
We brought enough. Pleasure doing business with you, Hans. Come on. Woods is itching for a dust-up. We don't want to let him down.
Yuk kita udah main ya guys. Jadi tadi di opening pembukaannya itu presidennya masih presiden Reagan ya. Jadi ini ketika perang dingin ya, Cold War ya. Kita bisa milih senjata guys. Milano boleh. Jadi di sini kita bernama Mason guys. Jadi tadi di awal video kita udah diperlihatin ya, ketika Cold War itu Amerika lawan Rusia guys. Jadi kalian yang teman-teman dulu pernah tahu ya, ketika perang dingin itu antara Amerika sama Rusia. Dan di sini ada dua target, Qasim sama Arash ya. Oh ini guys, kita langsung tembak. Nunduknya apa ya guys? Bentar guys. Peluru habis. Oh bukan.
I'm moving. I've got to reload. Give me some fucking cover.
Oh. Ini lompatnya apa guys? Anjir. Oh spasi. Inside takedown, body shield. Oke kita pakai body shield bisa guys. Kita jadiin tameng. Aduh. Bentar guys. Ini nunduknya apa ya? Oh C, ya Allah. C itu nunduk guys. Bentar. Oke, kita masih amatir ya guys. Banyak banget guys, banyak banget, gila. Bentar. Ini sangat berisik sih. Oh. Kita turun. Kelamaan ya. Kita harus ngejar sih. Gila.
Left to run, Kasim.
We can work so hard.
You're up, Mason.
Nah, dia ketangkap guys. F-tol.
Wait.
Oh, bisa milih satu atau dua.
I just handle the money. I have no idea where Arashi is.
Dia nggak tahu.
You understand the situation.
You Americans have rules. You have rules.
You took hostages. The rules changed.
Dia nggak mau ngasih tahu si Aras di mana lokasinya ya guys. Ini si Kasim sih.
He's in Turkey. He's meeting someone in Trabzon airfield tomorrow night.
Di mana si Aras mau akan bertemu ya?
I don't know. They only communicate with coded messages.
Oh, dapat kode. Evident collect. Kita lempar aja guys.
One down, one to go.
Ya kalau pengkhianat kayak gitu kita lempar aja lah.
Hudson, Arash is in Trabzon, Turkey.
Dia udah jatuh sih. 18 jam kemudian.
Kasim is out of the picture.
How long before we get Arash?
The team arrived in Turkey a few hours ago. They should be in position shortly.
Turki.
Airfield's just up ahead. Let's go find this shithead.
Jadi udah dapat info ya bahwa si Aras itu berada di Turki guys. Jadi sekarang kita ke Turki. Jadi ini adalah intinya, kisahnya ini adalah perang dingin ketika Amerika sama Rusia dulu ya guys. Kalau nggak salah tahun 1980-an ini guys. Kalau nggak salah ya.
Mason, check it out.
Oh, kita bisa pakainya apa guys? Hah? Oh, klik kanan. Zoom W. Nggak ada si Aras. Ada truk datang guys.
Arash might be in the truck.
Kemungkinan di truk itu sih Arash sih guys. Jadi kalau di perang-perangan kita nggak bisa ngomong ya guys, karena nembak-tembakannya itu sangat keras suaranya guys. Nanti ketabrak sama suara kita. Oh, ditembak guys.
Hold fire. We need a positive ID.
Nah, kita harus mastiin ini Arash bukan ya.
That's our man.
Oh bener guys. Kita ganti sniper. Al shift. Udah meleset guys. Saatnya kita berperang guys. Kita lari guys. Oh di sana guys. Aduh. Jangan sampai Arash kabur ya. Kita harus cepet sih. Kita harus cepet. Oke. Kita tembakin ini. Peluru habis. Bentar. Yes, oh kita pakai RC guys. Oh gila. We adhesive to boss. Oke. Kita ngebos ya. Waduh. Wait. Dia jadi mau lindas kita loh. Gak boleh hancur guys, RC-nya guys. RC-nya gak boleh hancur guys. Oke. Belum apa-apa udah kelindas. Gila. Wah kita ditembakin ya. Awas guys. Ah kita di sini. Kita ledakin.
Should have freed the hostages when you had the chance!
Hostages? It was never about the hostages. His plan is already underway. You won't be able to stop him this time.
Stop who?
Perseus.
Bullshit. Perseus is dead.
Dead? All this time and you didn't even know. Perseus will watch the West.
Hudson will want to hear about this. Let's sweep the tarmac for survivors and get to Langley.
Who the fuck is Perseus?
1943. Detailed information from the Manhattan Project was stolen from Los Alamos by the Russian spy known as Perseus. 1968, Vietnam War. Viet Cong soldiers, orchestrated by Perseus, attempted to steal an American-made nuclear bomb from a U.S. firebase. 5 days ago, while on a mission, we acquired intel that Perseus is in play again and planning an attack on the West. Perseus. The CIA's analysts consider him to be the single largest threat to the free world.
Mr. Hudson, we're all aware of Perseus. We're also aware he's more myth than fact. I mean, personally, I think he's nothing more than the Russian boogeyman.
General Haig, allow me to introduce the man best suited to respond to that. CIA clandestine special officer Russell Adler. He's one of the few people who even come close to capturing Perseus.
Mr. Adler, why should we take this Perseus threat seriously?
You don't have to, sir.
Yeah, then a lot of innocent people are gonna die.
Why do you say that?
Sir.
Every time Perseus has come into play, it shifted the balance of the Cold War. After 13 years of silence, if he's active, something big is gonna happen. Something that will affect the free world.
Sir.
Mr. President.
Sir.
Mr. President.
Mr. President, this is Jason Hudson and Russell Adler.
I know their names. Who do you think approved their last mission? Is the threat real?
Yes, sir, we believe it is.
Can you stop Perseus?
We can, sir. I've already submitted the requisition for my team.
Sir, their requests are highly irregular. Most likely illegal if the press gets a hold.
What the hell are you talking about? You know who we are?
Every mission we go on is illegal.
Sergeant Woods, plausible deniability is the backbone of our work.
Al, we're talking about preventing an attack on the free men and women of the world. Give Mr. Adler whatever he wants. Gentlemen, you've been given an important task. Protecting our very way of life from a great evil. There is no higher duty. There is no higher honor. And while few people will know of your struggles, rest assured, the entire free world will benefit. I know you won't fail us.
Lima minggu kemudian.
This is Hudson.
How long until we have a lead on Perseus?
They're about to get started. Adler's in West Berlin. He should be at the safe house soon.
Do you trust him?
I'm not the one you should be asking, Black.
What about his team?
It's a strong group. He chased down Sims, Azalea, even pulled some strings to get Helen Park from MI6. We'll get them Mason and Woods soon.
I'm not so sure about Park.
She and Adler have that business from before. Of course he wants her there.
And the new one.
Bell? Well, don't get me started. That's the one we need to keep our eyes on.
Oke guys, ini kita udah bisa mulai ya. Kita bisa ngasih nama karakter kita sendiri guys. First name. Oke. CIA. Oke, CIA. Jadi tadi kisahnya dari Presiden William Regal ya, kalau nggak salah ya. Itu namanya Perseus atau apa ya. Dia mencuri salah satu nuklir Amerika ketika perang dengan Vietnam ya guys. You must select skin. Oh, skin mah skin. Nggak usah. Skin. Kita jadi orang putih.
Bell, welcome to West Berlin. We've got a job to do. Mark.
Adler. Bell.
Dan di sini kita jadi kru baru ya, guys.
Surge in Russian chatter in the last 48 hours. CIA and the DoD are tapping their inside sources for anything substantial. So far, there are no leads on Perseus.
MI6 has come up empty-handed as well.
And we'll have to start somewhere. So we're going back here. Vietnam, 1968. One of our closest encounters with Perseus.
Shit. Some part of me always knew that mission wasn't done with us.
Pull up everything we've got on the attack in Da Nang and run it past Park. She'll cross-reference it with MI6.
We're looking for code names, encrypted transmission, Russian activity with NVA, anything that could be a lead.
You got it.
Oke. Jadi kita jelasin sedikit ya di sini ya.
We needed the best of the CIA and SOG. And that's exactly why I requested you again.
Oke. Kita di sini. Aku di sini loh, guys. Oke, Adler.
Anything that could give us a lead on Perseus.
Jadi kita jelasin di sini sedikit ya, guys. Jadi tadi ketika awal video itu dimulai, game ini dimulai, itu menceritakan tentang perang dingin antara Amerika sama Rusia di tahun 1800-an ya. Ini kan latar belakangnya tadi ada ya, tahun 1981-an. Jadi di ketika perang dingin ini sebenarnya ada musuh yang sangat mengerikan yang namanya Perseus ya. Karena dia mempunyai nuklir Amerika. Dia ambil ketika tahun 1968 ketika Amerika itu menyerang Vietnam. Itu perang Vietnam ya dulu. Nah ketika itu dia mencuri lah nuklir Amerika. Terus sekarang kemungkinan sih mau diledakin ya, guys. Jadi kita harus menghentikannya sih. Oke, jadi kita jadi member timnya si Adler ya. Kita bicara sebentar ya.
Bell, you're looking a little pale. You up for this?
Kita sangat suka di sini.
Good. You just moved up on my favorite team member list. Right past Liz.
Kita jadi tim favoritnya ya. What up the evidence board?
We're placing key intel up there. One for each mission. Forming connections. I want a red line right to Perseus.
Jadi misi kita kayaknya di dinding itu sih, guys.
It'd be good for Park to hear it from us firsthand. Maybe we have overlooked something.
Park seem familiar.
You just met her yesterday, right? I don't know. Why don't you ask her? Maybe you two have a special rapport. Keep it professional, Bell.
Oke. Exit lah udah.
Don't be a stranger.
Jadi di sini kita tadi dijelasin ya, misi kita akan ke Vietnam lagi di tahun 1968. Kemungkinan sih membayangkan atau kita nginget-nginget ketemu bareng pertama kali ketemu sama si Perseus itu ya, guys. Kita panggil aja siapa ya? Perseus itu susah, guys. Ntar kita bicara dulu sama ini.
In this case, quite. I understand you may have first-hand knowledge that could help us.
Kita tanya tentang misi Vietnam ya.
It must be difficult, Bell. I can't claim to have experienced what you have. Perhaps going over it again could be therapeutic.
Anything I can help you?
Well, I'm keen to hear about your time in Indochina. So close to Perseus.
Oke, udah.
We'll talk again soon.
Oke, guys. Oke, Pak. Namanya Pak. Kita tanya ke Lazar.
Bell.
Berapa lama kamu di CIA?
Working with the CIA over a decade. On their actual payroll, going on about 5 years.
Udah lebih dari 1 dekade ya.
Born in DC. Parents moved to Israel when I was a kid. Dual citizenship has its advantages.
Jadi dia keturunan Israel juga. Oke, udah cukup.
Enough talk.
Ya, oke.
Sims, heavy. Hell yeah.
Oke, kita ke misinya coba ya, guys. mission. Fracture Jaw. Kita cek evidence-nya. Cek evidence pakai apa? Nah ini 1967 ya kan. Ini waktu perang Vietnam guys. Ini udah nuklirnya nih guys. Nuklir yang dicuri sama Persui guys. Kalau nggak salah ya. Keeping on street weapon. Iya bener. Ya udah. Kita langsung ke misinya aja ya. Kita misi kembali ke Vietnam.
Alright, Bell. We're going back to Vietnam. First time Perseus pinged our radar. It was late January '68. We were a joint CIA-SOG task force embedded within the 3rd Marine Regiment near Da Nang. SOG was there to sniff out Soviet activity. Word had it, Russian operatives were active in the region.
Perseus had no known presence in Vietnam.
That changed at Da Nang. Somehow, Perseus knew about Operation Fracture Jaw.
Fracture Jaw. That one sure went sideways.
We launched out of Camp Haskins.
Yeah, I'll never forget that shit.
Good. We want those memories. No details too small. A face, a name. We're looking for anything that can lead us to Perseus.
This feels like looking for a needle in a haystack, in a field of haystacks.
Maybe, but that needle's somewhere. Remember, we had a job to do.
Fracture Jaw. That one sure went sideways.
Bell, it's time to wake up. It's great time.
Mau kita udah sampai di Vietnam ini guys. Camp Haskins Vietnam Januari 1968 ya. Ya ini masa lalu ya guys. Ini kisah pertama. Ini kisah pertama kita bertemu dengan Persui dan nuklirnya dicuri guys. Jadi ini dikisahkan di sini. Jadi waktu zaman perang Vietnam itu keren apa ngeri ya. Ya kan kalian yang pada belajar sejarah ketika perang Amerika sama Vietnam juga kan korbannya banyak banget ya. Oke, kita naik guys.
Hey Sims, you know reading that shit's gonna make you go blind.
Yup. That's why I want it all up here.
Bell, you're with Sims. You usually bring out the best in each other. We got a new assignment. FOB4 Ripcord is holding a vital asset that Charlie wants real bad.
What kind of asset are we talking about?
The kind you don't ask about. Ripcord has been taking a hell of a beating, so it's our job to secure the asset and get the fuck out. Relax, we got fast flyers providing combat air support for this mission. It'll be a walk in the park.
Headsets on.
All birds check in when ready. Badger 9-1, good to go. Badger 9-2, clear to go. Badger 9-3, rotors up. All birds, go, go, go. Crank up and pull pitch. All birds are in the air.
You all sitting comfortably?
Oh man, Adler. Why do I get the feeling you about to give us some bad news?
Because you're a smart guy, Sims. But the news isn't bad. In fact, it could be very, very good. The asset at Ripcord is gonna have to wait a little while. We're breaking off from the Armada, taking a detour.
And that's good because...
A source tipped us off that there may be a heavy hitter in town. A Soviet operative known as Perseus.
Oh, shit.
Appreciate the enthusiasm, Sims. If our source is right, we could be looking at an intel gold mine. First time Perseus pinged our radar.
Approaching the village now.
Itu udah sampai di desanya nih guys.
RPG!
Waduh, RPG guys. Kita harus hancurin yang nempakin RPG sih. Nah. Itu helikopter temen kita anjir. Mana? Ini. Bentar guys. Aman ya harusnya udah. Ya kita turun guys.
You and me, Bell. Let's do this. So about this, Adler? The streets ain't exactly empty.
Our priority is securing any intel.
Mana guys? Anjir. Oke. Anjir. Mudar guys. Bentar ya. Bentar.
Priority is securing any intel.
Oh bentar, ini musuhnya banyak banget, nggak bisa aja. Kena kamu. RPG guys. Bentar. Mana lagi? Banyak banget gila.
Keep pushing forward. You're getting close.
Gila anjir.
Sims, Bell, that's the building.
Bentar guys, ini ngeri ya. Kita habisin peluru, kita ambil senjata musuh guys. Bentar, mana tadi? Nah ini, kita dapet senjata musuh guys. Bentar. Banyak banget gila. Aduh. Mampus kamu.
Okay, get inside. See what we got.
Kita ambil guys senjata musuh guys.
Go, Bell. I'm right behind you.
Dulu habis. Apa ini hover? Shotgun. Shotgun guys, kita nggak butuh sih.
Switching spot.
Banyak mati kayaknya guys. Udah guys.
Cover me.
Sini guys.
Like looking for a needle in a haystack. You hear that? It's on you, Bell. Open the door. Adler, we confirmed it. Soviets on site.
You sure?
Well, I'm staring at two bodies that sure as hell don't look Vietnamese to me. Bell, grab that comms log.
Oke, kita ambil ini guys.
They've been talking to. Mission accomplished. We have the intel. Let's bug out.
Good work. Hang on to that intel. We're coming in to pick you up.
Jadi tadi waktu si William Regal ngomong, Presiden William Regal itu di sini kita ada Operation Manhattan ya. Ketika apa si rudal itu dicuri, itu di Operation Manhattan guys. Oh tuh anjir. Bentar om. Anjir.
Badger 901, this is Ripcord. We are still under heavy fire. BC are breaching the perimeter. What is your status?
We're inbound now, Ripcord. Get that asset ready for transfer.
Kita pergi guys.
We'll keep the asset safe as long as we can. Ripcord out. Badger 901 in the air.
Oh, kita naik.
BC are all over the mountains.
Roket sih.
All targets are valid.
Kita nembakin apa sih ini guys? Kapal ya.
Badger 901, we have confirmed visual of an enemy bird headed your way.
Since when did the COG have birds? They don't. Fucking Soviets.
Oh itu guys.
I think you got it. Got him. Good job, Bell. They sent that hideout.
Bentar guys, kita diserang sama helikopter musuh juga.
Roger that, 901. The base is still hot, so watch yourself. We'll do what we can to clear an LZ. Get the asset ready for transfer.
Roger that, Ripcord. Watch the cave. Bastards are dug in.
Kita harus bermanuver guys.
Pick them off, Bell. BC convoy on the road. They got those supply trucks. Every one of them rearms the enemy.
Bentar, kita nembakin apa ini? Oh itu teman guys. Kita harus hancurin ini guys. Oh friendly fire.
Badger 901, our scouts have identified a significant enemy force approaching from the south. Divert to intercept.
Roger that, Ripcord. Take out those AA trucks.
Oh jadi markas kita lagi diserang ya. Tadi kita friendly fire loh guys. Bentar, mana yang nembakin kita anjir? Oh di sana guys. Kita lagi diserang ya.
Ripguard's taking a beating, making us up target. Keep it up.
Badger 901, you are clear.
Mana lagi?
Copy that, Ripcord. Badger 901 setting down.
Oh, kita mendarat di sini, guys.
The base is still hot, so watch yourselves.
Roger that, Ripcord.
You Adler? Mac V SOG?
Yeah, just hurry the fuck up already.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank Bell. They're the one who just snagged up the fucking phone book full of Soviet intel. Let's go. Now.
Godspeed, Commander. A fucking nuke? Are you fucking kidding me, Adler?
It's a failsafe. That's all you need to know.
We that desperate already?
Not yet.
Kembali ke camp Haskin. Jadi kita udah bawa nuklirnya ini ya. Waktu waduh diserang, guys.
Somehow Perseus knew. Sims! Bell, you okay? We're okay! Bell, let loose of that goddamn turret before we're overrun!
Anjir, kita kebalik kepalanya, guys. Oke, aman, guys.
We need air support! Bell, call it in! Grab a weapon! Keep them the fuck off us!
Kita harus membawa kita ini, guys. Kita diserang ya. Oh, udah ada bom, guys. Anjir. Waduh, gila.
Bell! Still with us? You think we can call this a success, Sims?
At least the nuke didn't go off.
More importantly, we got intel on Perseus. Told you we had a job to do. It ain't done yet, not by a long way.
Empat jam kemudian.
Yeah.
How did the memory exercise go?
Well, to hear it from Adler, it's working. Bell remembered finding that encrypted intel in Vietnam and is almost finished decoding it.
Anything useful in there?
Some names, apparently. Possible leads. Park is trying to connect the dots.
We don't have much time. Does the team know about our mishap in Berlin yet?
No, but if it's connected to one of those names from Bell, they'll find out soon enough.
You won't let that happen, Hudson. Don't say anything more than necessary.
That's never been a problem for me.
We've finished analyzing the names Bell acquired at Da Nang. One in particular stands out. Anton Volkov. He's a Russian arms dealer working out of East Berlin. Admittedly, his connection to Perseus comes as a surprise.
We've got killer capture orders on Volkov. So if we can't get to Perseus, We'll get to his men, close off his resources, force him out of hiding. Mason and Woods are still wrapping up business in Kiev, which means Volkov is ours. Gear up, and we'll move out.
Oke guys, jadi ini intinya sebenarnya kita tadi di apa sih namanya, kayak di kepalanya kita ya, kayak ingatan kita itu digali ya ketika kita pertama bertemu menemukan nuklir itu. Di ingatan kita ingatan kita tuh masuk ketika tahun 1968 ketika kita di Vietnam di situ. Jadi sebenarnya kita nggak kesana ya sekarang, tapi menggali pikiran kita ketika kita perang di Vietnam, terus dapat nama Volkov, orang Rusia guys. Itu mungkin kunci untuk menemukan si Persu ya, karena kita masih mencari si Persu. Jadi untuk menangkap si Persu kita harus menggali ketika kita pertama kali menemukan nuklir itu, dan ternyata dapat nama si Volkov. Jadi kisahnya lumayan menarik sih, dimana kedepannya nanti kita akan gimana sih caranya dapat menggagalkan Persu. Kemungkinan ini udah bisa ketebak sih guys. Dan ini teringetin lagi ya dari awal, ini di Operation Manhattan ya, dimana Amerika mempunyai apa sih namanya, nuklir gitu loh guys. Nanti kan ketika si Persu itu meledakkan nuklirnya Amerika, nanti yang disalahin Amerika karena yang punya nuklir itu Amerika. Tujuannya seperti itu. Dan di sini kita bernama si Bell, namanya Bell. Itu aja ya. Mungkin informasinya cukup itu di part ini. Kita lanjut ke part selanjutnya karena waktu udah lumayan lama. Cukup menarik nanti ceritanya. Oke guys, terima kasih udah nonton video ini. Lanjut ke part selanjutnya. See you guys and thank you for watching. Jangan lupa like and subscribe bagi yang belum. See you guys.